We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Italian brand of coffee. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced coffee names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In Italian, it is said as illy. Illy. Pretty straightforward once you know, not I, not illy, not ili, but simply illy. Illy Italian Coffee Company specializing in espresso coffee and headquartered in Trieste, Italy. Illy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting coffee names, coffee brand names too, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.